The AOSION 13 inches carbon steel wok set is like a helpful friend in your kitchen. It comes with 12 useful pieces. This set includes the wok itself, a lid, and many cooking tools. These tools can help you stir-fry and cook many dishes. The AOSION 13 inches carbon steel wok set wants to make cooking easier for everyone. This wok is made from carbon steel, so it gets hot quickly and evenly. It has a flat bottom. This makes it work on all kinds of stoves. You can use it on induction, electric, gas, and halogen stoves. The wok has no chemical coating. This is good because no bad stuff will mix into your food. The AOSION 13 inches carbon steel wok set is also pre-seasoned. This means it has a natural non-stick surface. Food will not stick easily when you cook. The AOSION 13 inches carbon steel wok set has a lid with a wooden handle. The handle stays cool when you cook. The lid can also stand up by itself. This saves space on your counter. The set also includes spoons, spatulas, and even a steamer rack. It is a complete set for anyone who loves to cook. So, if you want to try new recipes and make tasty meals, the AOSION 13 inches carbon steel wok set could be a great choice for your kitchen. Pros: easy to clean, healthier cooking, maintains food taste, vertical lid stand, secure lid grip. Wooden handle, all stove types, fast, even heating, great for family, pre-seasoned. Cons: not oven safe, hand wash only, heavy, 6.91 pounds. Not for novice cooks, many pieces to store, non-stick needs upkeep, steep walls. User review: can be quite heavy. User review features: 13-inch carbon steel 12-piece wok set, includes lid, non-stick surface, flat bottom design. No chemical coating, induction compatible, works on all stoves, easy to clean, for stir-fry and more. This AOSION 13-inch wok is made of carbon steel and comes with 12 cooking items, including a lid. It has a flat bottom, so it can sit well on any stove, even induction. The wok has a surface that helps food not stick, and it doesn't have any extra chemical stuff on it. It's good for making stir-fry and other dishes, and it's not hard to clean. This 13-inch AOSION carbon steel wok set comes with 12 pieces, including a lid and cooking tools, and is designed for healthier cooking without chemical coatings, helping to keep the food's taste. It has a flat bottom, making it suitable for all stove types like induction, electric, gas, and halogen, and heats up quickly and evenly, which is great for families. The lid can stand upright and has a secure wooden handle. However, it needs to be hand washed, is not safe for oven use, and its non-stick surface requires regular upkeep. Some users find it heavy and mention it might not be the best choice for beginner cooks due to its weight and the need to maintain the non-stick quality.